Danke bafethu. uVino usilethele iy'thombe zabafana be-Kaizer Chiefs already balaphana e-F_N_B bebenza i-pitch inspection bayibheka before badlala. Yeah, it's gonna be an emotional game laphana. Augustin Sirino siyababona, uThabiso Munyane. Yeah, ukudlala yonke igame inkulu ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Ayikho igame esimple, ayikho igame elula because of the teams will come. So lana-ke abafana abancane uShabalala noVilakazi aba-expected ukuthi balide i-Kaizer Chiefs namhlanje nge-creativity yabo nge-combination, and then uNgcobo la eceleni uzoqala ebhentshini yena sazi ukuthi uzongena noma ngeke angene, but yeah, golden new generation of uVilakazi noShabalala, combination yomhlaba bafowethu. Yibo-ke abafana laba abazolida i-Kaizer Chiefs to greater height. Umfundo usponsor yiPhuma njengoba sibona la ugqokile iteki lePhuma bafowethu, usponsor yiPhuma. Ngimbonile apromoter elinye iCox lePhuma. And then if awuna sponsors obvious uzoshaya i-merchandising noma izinto ze-Kaizer Chiefs. So yeah, yibo-ke abafana laba bafowethu okumele balide ithimu aba-expected vele ukuthi bayilide. uThabiso Munyane siyamazi ku-right back ubuyile-ke umfana ozo-add-a ispeed esikhulu esibalulekile for ithimu ukuthi ithimu ikwazi ukuthola ama-results. I think as isizini ilokhu iqhubeka we can expect ama-assist from uThabiso Munyane ukuthi akwazi ngempela uku-add-a a formidable speed and i-create bit of creativity moving forward. Iside lakwa-right ku-Kaizer Chiefs libaluleke kakhulu mekhona laphana uThabiso Munyane because siyambona ugqoke iteki le-Adidas bafethu no-sponsor i-Adidas. So obviously iteki isicathulo uzoshaya i-Adidas ne-Cox lakhe yini i-Adidas, everything nje about him i-Adidas. But i-Kaizer Chiefs isponsor iKapa, mawungana-sponsor uzoshaya iteki leKapa-ke. And then iGustin Sirino the magician uqala naye ebhentshini, akaqala imatch. Siyamazi what he can bring to i-Kaizer Chiefs. Siyazi ukuthi previous game unike i-Kaizer Chiefs 2 assist la ulile package khona, and then uSilva-ke wakwazi ukulishaya phakathi-ke igoli. Singakhohlwa-ke bafethu ukuthi lezi iy'thombe zakaVino Snap, if you can follow uVino laphana kuboma-Facebook, boma-Instagram, wonke ama-social media platforms, iy'thombe zakhe akusiy'thombe zami bafethu. So yeah, ezakaVino. And then-ke lana uKwinika uyaqala nali i-hero of the day nalo likhona siyambona bafethu ey'thombeni. uSilva umuntu okwazile ukubashayela igoli. Ighodaro uyo-expected ukuthi abe i-new hero ye-Kaizer Chiefs. Yeah man, it's gonna be a tough game against ngiyazi ukuthi ayinayo i-pedigree that much le team abadlala nayo Orbit College, but guess what, mayidlala ne-Kaizer Chiefs izofuna ukuprove ipoint nanokuthi bayibone. uCross and then uFrost oqala ebhentshini, and then nangokuMcCarthy uFrost la uzoqala ebhentshini, then McCarthy noCross baya-understandana laphana ku-left back position. Sikhumbule ukuthi uMcCarthy naye udlala ku-left hand side, usho ukuthi u-assista ilokhunjani i-left back if maybe iya-advance iya phambili, amake sure ukuthi kuvaliwe laphana emuva. And then-ke sibona uDupreez bafowethu ngathi akekho right umfana, but-ke uyakhohlwa ukugeja kwakhe lena eCongo. Mentally abe right, i-team iyamdinga kule match le enkulu kangaka, like Kaizer Chiefs expected ukuthi bathole ama-results. Ningakhohlwa bafowethu iy'thombe zakaVino Snap, ningasho ukuthi ngisebenzisa iy'thombe zakaVino ngangamcredit iy'thombe zakaVino Snap. Danko bafowethu, ngicela ningakhohlwa uku-like and subscribe.